Finally, the TCL R84 is back on the channel, and we're going to be showcasing exclusively Fortnite x Simpsons Reload. I'll have a couple of videos coming out in the near future, so you can see how vibrant, how bright, and how pretty awesome this monitor is at 32 inches. Here we have a 4K 165Hz HVA panel with 1400 local dimming zones, with many HDR presets, and a shadow detail or dark field can be controlled in SDR and in HDR modes. Links will be in the description for the best impactful settings, so you can make HDR look amazing. And in all these upcoming gameplay videos, I will be talking about a couple of things in each video, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Just for example, what you're seeing here is desktop HDR. Now this monitor has a couple of HDR settings, and there's a certain HDR preset that gets very bright, very impactful, kind of like the QM7K TV. And I've said that in another video. This TCL R84 32-inch monitor to me seems and displays like the QM7K's little brother. It's that bright, very impactful for your PC gaming, especially here with Simpsons, with all the pastel colors. I mean, even the cloud at the intro looked 3D-ish. You get what I'm saying? It looks, the depth is there because of TCL's HVA panel and the Halo control system with the brightness. With 1400 local dimming zones, very few monitors can compete with the price point of this monitor. And coming soon, I'll be showcasing many games. So if you're into this monitor, hit that subscribe button and consider becoming a YouTube member, as I will have exclusive gameplay videos on a variety of monitors exclusively for the members, and it would help the channel tremendously. But liking, sharing, subscribing also do make the channel better, so if you can take the time to do that, that would be awesome. In upcoming G50 SF OLED videos, that's where I chose to start my Fortnite career, if you would say. I'm trying to get up to casual, so I don't do pretty well, but you get what I'm saying. I'm showcasing the colors here. That's the whole point. The vibrancy, the brightness. And I have this on brightness 70, so imagine how much brighter it will look in person. Sure, it's not OLED, it's not pinpoint accurate. There is some blooming from time to time here and there, but I don't notice it that much. And that's why I'm showcasing this monitor. It's an amazing value, and you get a lot of technological updates with this panel compared to the competition. And the good thing is it has a lot of HDR options or presets. A lot of monitors just have one or two. This has a couple. Also, shadow detail is controllable in SDR and in HDR, so that's a plus. Anyway friends, it's game time on the TCL R84 monitor with Simpsons Reload.